Do an overview of the Hoover DynamicNext. I still don't know the model. I think it's on here. Yeah, it is the DXOA49C3-80. So yeah, that's the Hoover model. And yeah, as you can see, it's a really good machine. It has, I've not even counted, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 cycles. And if you want to, you can customize it yourself. The one touch on it is really hard to use, honestly. It doesn't even really work, to be honest. I don't know how they have it. It's a 9 kilogram, 1400 RPM spin. It has steam. And this one touch, honestly, the app is really broken. You have to set the Wi-Fi and all that, and you have to change how much Wi-Fi is going through. So if you want to do that, you can, but honestly, it's quite a waste of time. You have options, which is these 4 things, these 6 things here. You can change spin. If you want no spin, then go ahead. Quite a big drum size. And as you can see, the drum does lower after a while, but you know, that's normal for Hoovers. Hoover washing machines always do that. But, you know, yeah. But that's the washing machine. See, it's quite a small drawer. You're not really much to put, not really big size to put in stuff. So that's that. It does have a test mode, but I'm not going to do that because I don't really have much time for that. I would do it another day.